Hello students, welcome to RKP online classes. I hope you all are doing so well and you're making your time productive. So, in this series, we are proceeding to our next topic for class 4 and that is the climate of our country. What is the topic? The climate of our country. Okay, so before starting to know about the climate of our country, first we will come to know about the weather and climate. There are two terms with name weather and climate. So, what is weather and what is climate? Do you know what is the difference between weather and climate? So, I am going to tell. If you know, then very good. And now I am going to tell about weather and climate. So, what is weather? Weather is the conditions of atmosphere at a certain place or a time. What is weather? Weather is an atmospheric condition of a place at a time. Now we can say, and it can be changed. It can get changed from one place to another place. Suppose our school is in Medina. Okay. So if we are in Medina, we are in school, then sometimes it starts to get rain. Yes, it starts raining there. But whenever we are on the way to our home, then we see that around 4 to 5 at a short distance also the weather is changed. The sun is shining at the other place. So it can be changed over a short period of time. Okay, that will be weather. Okay, like it's cloudy weather outside, and after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, or after a short period of time, there will be like sun will be shining. So that is the weather, not the climate. The weather is getting changed and it gets changed in a short period of time. We can use these words for weather like sunny, windy and foggy. Okay, this type of weather can be there outside. Like before 10 minutes it was sunny, but now it's windy. The winds are blowing there. The winds are blowing, and sometimes it's foggy. Foggy, धुआं होना, धुंध होना. Okay, so this was weather. I hope this is clear to you all. Now I am coming to the point. We are proceeding to the topic that is climate. Now this is the difference only. The weather is for a short period of time and the climate is for a long period of time. Okay, weather is for a short period of time and climate is for a long period of time. Yes, so it refers to the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. The main difference is this only. Okay, first is this is for short period of time and this is for long period of time. Okay, like in this term, in weather, we included sunny weather, windy or foggy. But in climate, it is for a long period of time, so we can include the seasons in climate. Okay, like summer, winter, monsoon, and we can include like cold in the mountains. Okay, so that will be climate, which remains for a long period of time. It doesn't get changed over a short period, after 2-3 days or after some days. It doesn't get changed. It takes much time to get changed comparatively weather. Okay, so I'm repeating this. So weather is the atmospheric condition of a place for a short period of time, and the describing words for weather, these are like sunny weather is outside, windy or foggy. Weather, climate, it refers to the atmospheric conditions for a long period of time, and we can include like seasons, summer, winter, monsoon or like cold in the mountains. It remains for a long period of time. It doesn't get melt easily. Okay, so that's why we can include cold in the mountains and climate.